And then there's my 2 Pizzeria Simulator boxes. I have not opened either, so any of these characters on the back I should be able to get without any particular problem. I could only grab 2 while they were in stores. So let's see which one of these guys I get. Hopefully, knowing my luck, I'll probably get doubles. God damn it. These things are hard to open. I mean, I guess they really don't want you stealing these things. Sorry, I just had the bite of 87 this, to get it open. Stupid cheap plastic. Let's see what's in this box. Let's see. Here we go. I mean, it's a really cute box. I mean, very carnival themed is what I noticed that, Pizzeria Simulator is. Oh, it's like the older they get, the worse these things are to open. I got Orville the elephant in his cute little thing. He actually has a lower mouth, but they didn't bother painting the teeth. Kind of disappointing. The paint is okay. He has a little wand. It was painted okay. They could have been a little bit better, being how I've seen the older models are. Here's the thing. Now, if you look carefully underneath, he has teeth, but they're not painted, and a mouth. Which is, what's the point of putting that on an animatronic? If this was a real animatronic, why did you put a lower jaw? I mean, what kid would be, looking underneath for an elephant mouth? If anything, I think the lower teeth make it look more disturbing. The teeth are sculpted in, but not painted. Absolutely disappointed in you, Funko. But other than that, it seems fine. The ears seem might get damaged easily if you're not careful enough. So that's a 1 down. I think they changed the style on the eyes because these look a little bigger and less square than the other ones. But then again, these things are supposed to be more friendlier looking or cheaper looking. I don't know. They're like the reject gang. And then this one, which I'm probably going to have to bite again. 2 bites in the series, 2 bites for the boxes. So 1 bite in, and we got the boxes open. Great. So we're doing this. Almost there. I feel bad about destroying the boxes because they could be collectible and savable, but they don't want to effing open. Child-friendly censorship there. It's not like I get ad on this, so it doesn't matter. And I got the little Foxy who plays the accordion. How fitting. Let's compare this guy to the old Foxy. First of all, this one's a lot more shiny. The beautiful matte color of the original is gone. These are horribly shiny, which is weird because I'm pretty sure these aren't supposed to be so plasticky. I don't remember the models in the game. I mean, the accordion's a lot more matte, so I don't know why they made him so shiny. As for the pants, they're literally pretty much the entirely same sculpt, except one's shinier, and maybe the eyes are more kinder and expressiver, which is in, I believe, one of the later games he was in, which was the, I can't remember, I forgot the name. It's the one where basically it's like the all-nighter where you can, customize. At the bottom, the head is connected differently. This one's more, cheaply put together. He actually has a little peg leg, which I find is adorable, instead of Foxy just having a normal leg. He has an accordion. He has the same hook. What I noticed is the hook is less, it's more shiny metal than, a black metal. Okay, I'm an absolute child. And he has this little accordion. A little thing I'm disappointed in is that they didn't put a little parrot on his shoulder, which maybe they could have put him on the ears or something, because this is basically just a Foxy with a less aggressive face. They just moved the face slightly. It can't be that hard to, change the model to make this guy, so I don't feel like it's as creative. It has the same indent and everything, it's just the colors make it look different, and the material feels feels typical toy to me. The details on the pants are exactly the same, which tells me that they just reused the model, and as you could tell if you look very closely, focus, the paint was not as well done as the original, especially in the teeth. There's some pink that shouldn't be there unless he bit someone, which I don't think that's the reason. I just think they were just being cheaper with the paints because this is the later in the series, and despite there being a new game out, I think they're feeling like this franchise is dying because it was harder to find these because they were supposed to be sold in different stores, but they just like didn't. They were supposed to sell in multiple stores and they just didn't because they didn't feel as if they were gonna sell that many, which is bullshit because they sold a whole lot of these motherfuckers real quick. Oh man, I cursed. I was trying not to curse. Gosh darn it. Oh well, it was nice talking to you. Thanks. I'm kind of happy about the Foxy actually, for the comparison reason. So that was my unboxing / I guess review. Bye.